Hey there, foodie friends. Today we're diving into an important topic, cooking danger zones. While the kitchen is the heart of the home, it can also be a place where foodborne illnesses lurk. Understanding these danger zones is crucial for keeping your family safe and healthy. So, let's explore. Cooking danger zones refer to temperature ranges where harmful bacteria thrive and multiply in food. By being aware of these zones and taking proper precautions, you can reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. Let's break it down. First, temperature danger zone. The temperature danger zone is between 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius and 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius. This is the range in which bacteria multiply most rapidly. To keep food safe, it is essential to keep cold foods below 40 degrees Fahrenheit and hot foods above 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Number two, thawing. Thawing frozen food at room temperature is a big no no, as it allows bacteria to grow quickly. Instead, thaw food in the refrigerator, under cold running water, or in the microwave. Number three, cross contamination. Cross contamination occurs when bacteria from one food item transfers to another, typically through contact with contaminated surfaces or utensils. To prevent cross contamination, use separate cutting boards for raw meat, poultry, and seafood, and wash your hands frequently while cooking. Number four, leftovers. Improperly storing leftovers can also pose a risk. Be sure to refrigerate or freeze leftovers within 2 hours of cooking and reheat them to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius before serving. Number five, eggs and dairy. Eggs and dairy products are also susceptible to contamination. To reduce this risk, store eggs in the refrigerator, cook them thoroughly, and avoid consuming raw or undercooked eggs. By being mindful of these cooking danger zones and implementing proper food safety practices, you can protect yourself and your loved ones from foodborne illnesses. So, let's keep our kitchen safe and our meals delicious. Thanks for joining me on this journey to understand cooking danger zones. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow foodies. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your cooking game. Stay safe and happy cooking! For more kitchen safety tips and culinary inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy cooking and stay safe.